Hello YouTube, welcome back to our aviation videos. Today we will unbox another model in 1:5 scale. So this is model. This is Herpa Wings Air Calin Airbus A330-200. The registration Foxtrot Oscar Juliet Sierra Echo. This is it's a bit old and it's made by Herpa, and let's open it. See the other side. Okay, and this is the back side. Oh, so many words in Germany. Yep, I know Herpa is from Germany, so and yep, I know this is the specification. It's not so many specification here. What is this? It's a ruler, I suppose. Okay, let's open. Okay, so here is it. Herpa Wings Air Calin Airbus A330-200. My first impression to this model is pretty nice. It's quite detailed. It's quite a great model, even though this is a bit old. And yep. Okay, so let's review. They already use the new design. The recent design of chair. It's great, and the engine, it looks a bit too long, I guess. The exhaust, I guess it's a bit too long for what is it? Oh, for CF6, I guess. Oh, wait. Yep. CF6 engine, GE CF6 engine. Correct me guys if I'm wrong, as always. And Calin. And how about tail? Tail is nice. And maybe it's all. Oh, no landing gears, only no zeros. They are trying to copying Phoenix. I guess it's an old model, and yep, it's not so detailed. Compared to the recent model. And I guess just want to tell you that why Calin use French registration is because Caledon is part of French. Yep, and it's still part of French, but it's how to say it. It's same like Honolulu, like Hawaii or Guam. Yep. They're still part of US, so they still use. So that's why Calin use model French registration. And Calin Caledon International, and check this out. Can you see, guys? The nose. They are still in cooperation with Air France. Wait. Oh, so let's wait. This partenarial affect. What's this? So hard for me to read. It's so small. Just like they are in cooperation with Air France, just like that. Yep, and partenarial affect. If you guys know, because I can't speak French. If you guys know, or what's this, French or not, I don't know. I guess it's French, and if you know the translate, feel free to leave a comment. Okay, maybe that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day and stay safe. Goodbye, guys.